Hello, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I'm opening a package from Double Dip. I've never heard of them before, but I'm really excited to try their products. Here are 3 of their popular summer colors. In this kit, I also received a nail file, a nail buffer, cuticle sticks, replacement brushes, and I also got the dip base, the activator, the dip top, and the brush cleaner. Please stay tuned for the end of the video for more information about Double Dip. I also will have a promo code for you, so please stick around, and I hope you enjoy this video. Almost forgot to mention that I also received some freebies. I received the soft powdered brush and the cute holographic bag, and of course the instructions. I appreciate that they have pictures for better understanding of how to use the products. So yeah, let's go on with the video. So we already went ahead and washed and dried her hands thoroughly, and with the files provided in the kit, we already filed her edges, and now I'm just buffing off the shine from her nails so we can continue with the dip base. So I'm just going to use the brush and just clean off the excess dust from her nails off. We're going to start off with the dip base, which is like the glue. When applying the dip base, you want to work quickly. Just apply it to the entire nail surface and then quickly dip it into the powder. I like to just count in my head to 3 when dipping it in the powder, and then when I take it out, I like to let it sit for maybe a minute just for it to completely set before I brush off the excess. As you can see, I went ahead and dusted off the first nail. Now I am just going to repeat the same step to all nails until I am completely done. I just finished dusting off all the nails, and I need to apply a second coat of the powder. So for that, I need to reapply dip base to all the nails and just repeat the same step. Don't forget to dust off the powder after the second coat. Now I'll be applying the activator. This is like almost the last step. This will harden the powder. Just make sure you apply it to the entire nail surface and allow it to air dry for at least 30 seconds. Now that the nails are completely hardened, you can go ahead and just smooth out the edges, and I will also be smoothing out the nail surface with the buffer provided. You don't need to do that step if your nails came out smooth, but yeah, I need to smooth her nails a little bit. So yeah, we just need to finish this, and then we can go ahead and finish it off with top coat. This is the last step. We use a dip top, which is just a shiny top coat, and we just want to apply this generously to all the nails, and yeah, we're done. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I really enjoyed using this product. It was very easy to use, and it was fast drying like the product claims to be. My daughter also loved it. She is the one I applied the product to. She's very satisfied with the results. So I suggest you check them out. You will really like their dipping powders. So go to their website and use my promo code Nailfiemood to get 25% off when choosing 3 colors from their pastel and summer collection, and you will also get the free holographic bag and brush. These offers are only available when using my code. So yeah. Also join their Facebook group, Secret Beauty Circle, for a chance to win their weekly $100 plus giveaways of their products. Anyone is welcome to join, from artists, pros, enthusiasts, and just anyone who loves to do their nails. So yeah, all the links for the things I mentioned are in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.